Have you heard of Marilyn? It's a game changer for anyone who uses the internet daily. With Service, you have the power of OpenAI's ChatGPT technology at your fingertips, right in your browser. No more endless scrolling or wading through irrelevant information. Marilyn can analyze text and generate summaries, action them, and video scripts. You can provide it with the full text of your content and ask it to create a resume based on that text. It will then analyze the text and offer a concise and comprehensive overview that includes all the content's main points and key details. Service can also help you write complex Excel formulas and codes with ease. Simply provide a prompt describing the function or operation you want, and Marilyn will suggest a formula or code to get the job done. And what about those emails that seem to pile up every day? Service can help you with professional responses in no time. Provided with the context of the email, the desired tone, and the content of your answer, and watch as Marilyn generates text that matches your style and scope perfectly. Marilyn is also great for summarizing long-form content like documents, articles, books, or research papers. Just give it the title of your content or copy it and ask it to generate a summary, and voila, you'll have a shorter version of the content that still captures the essence of the paper. Service can even be an excellent tool for coding problems. Provide it with a brief description of your situation, and it will analyze your query and automatically write the code for you. And if you have a child curious about the world, ask Marilyn any question they ask and watch as it explains the answer in simple, easy-to-understand language. Jamison, Lerner, and Michael are just two of the many people who have raved about the benefits of using Marilyn. Jamison thinks the only addition that could improve the experience is the introduction of a voice mode, where you can dictate your queries and hear the answers read back to you. And Michael has been using the Marilyn add-on for Chrome and can't say enough about how it's made web browsing so much easier with its built-in ad blocker, fast and safe search engine, and user-friendly interface. If you still need to start using Marilyn, it's high time you tried it. Hey friend, have you heard about Connecto? It's the new company that's changing the game in API documentation. They're taking a page from Stripe's book and making it easier for companies of all sizes to create clear and concise API documentation. With Connecto, you must plug in your GitHub repository or upload your API collection, and it will do the rest. Connecto analyzes everything and provides the necessary API documentation, plus an AI assistant that uses natural language processing to make it even better. The AI will automatically describe various API attributes and explain their use. This way, even non-technical team members can contribute to the process. Now, Connecto isn't a magic bullet. You'll still need to fine-tune the formats and wording, add images, and make other tweaks. But it automates the process as much as possible, so you can focus on the important stuff. One of the best things about Connecto is that it supports a variety of APIs, including OpenAPI, Postman, SOAP API, Async API, and GraphQL. And if you need to make updates, you can do it within seconds. Connecto is designed for everyone, with API widgets and support for multiple programming languages. It even has a developer portal and API browser, so you can easily extend API implementation to other platforms. But what else sets Connecto apart is its customer support, design, and ease of use. They've got high marks in these areas and they're always working to improve the platform. Regarding pricing, Connecto has a basic plan that costs around $20 per user and up to $45 a month for unlimited API projects in their business plan. They also have a corporate strategy that includes custom branding and self-hosting options. And the best part? They're working on a completely free version too. It's no surprise that Connecto is particularly popular in the fintech space. After all, they're looking to emulate one of the most successful fintech startups of the past decade. Just like Stripe, Connecto is making API documentation more accessible, and that's a big reason why developers love it. Hey friend, have you heard of Bardeen? This fantastic automation app is changing the game for so many people. It's like a personal assistant that helps you eliminate those tedious and repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what matters. But received some recognition too. It was nominated for the Golden Kitty Award in 2022 in the SaaS category and was a finalist. Can you imagine? That's how good it is. The beauty of Bardeen is that it's designed for the average person, not just tech wizards. You don't have to know how to code or have any special programming skills. It comes with over 200 pre-built collections specific to different tasks, and these work with popular apps like Slack, LinkedIn, Google Sheets, and more. Pascal Weinberger, the CEO and co-founder, says that it's all about saving people time. And you know what? He's right. Imagine all the time you'd save if you didn't have to manually extract information from a website or application and create a spreadsheet or contact database. Bardeen uses machine learning to determine which of your tasks can be automated, making recommendations based on your workflow. It's like having a personal trainer, but for your work. Artem Marutyunyan, the technical director and co-founder, said they started developing Bardeen shortly before the COVID pandemic hit. They were trying to solve their own problems and ended up creating a tool that has helped so many people working from home. One of the critical features of Bardeen is its web scraping capabilities. And if there are changes to the web page, don't worry, the site's APIs will handle it. Right now, Bardeen is an extension for Chrome, but they're planning to add support for other web browsers soon. And the best part, you can try it for free, but you'll have to pay if you use more than 5 collections. People who are working from home have been taking advantage of automation tools like Bardeen because they have the time to do so. And they're finding that it's freeing up time for them to work on other tasks or even take on side projects. Just look at what some users say. May and her team use Bardeen to create a list of leads from LinkedIn and collaborate with Asana. And it saved them 30 to 50% of their time compared to manual processes. Olaf Risted also had a positive review, saying that Bardeen is easy to use and has opened up new business ideas for them. So there you have it. Bardeen is changing the game for people looking to save time and simplify their work. And the best part is, you can try it out for yourself. Hey friend, have you heard about Connecto? It's a fantastic API-first platform that helps businesses bring their products to life seamlessly and efficiently. With Connecto, product managers don't have to worry about the technicalities of JSON or YAML coding. That's because Connecto has 2 unique products, Design Studio and Test Studio. Let me tell you more about Connecto Design Studio. This product is a dream come true for product managers who want to develop APIs without technical know-how. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, product managers can quickly develop APIs without getting bogged down by the complexities of coding. The best part is, Connecto makes collaborations with the API team a breeze, allowing developers, testers, and operators to work together seamlessly. You can access Connecto through their SaaS web apps, Connecto.io and app.connecto.io. These apps work in popular browsers like Google Chrome, Apple Safari, and Microsoft Internet Explorer. Logging in is super easy too. You can use your LinkedIn, GitHub, or Google credentials. What kind of APIs can you develop with Connecto? The platform is designed to help product managers design and test 3 types of APIs: System APIs, Process APIs, and Interaction APIs. System APIs are an API-based interaction framework that allows different systems to communicate and exchange data. Connecto makes developing and testing these APIs a piece of cake, ensuring their reliability and scalability. Process APIs, on the other hand, is the glue that binds different systems together. With Connecto's aggregate API builder, you can easily create automated business processes and be confident that your process APIs will work seamlessly with other systems and APIs. Finally, there are Interaction APIs. These APIs are the final touchpoint in delivering data and content to end users based on their specific access channels like a mobile app or browser. Connecto is adding Developer Connecto Experience APIs to their roadmap, allowing product managers to look at their product strategy from a user-customer perspective. With Connecto, product managers have all the tools they need to design, test, and deploy APIs that drive systems, processes, and experiences. APIs are essential to creating successful products, and Connecto makes it easier for product managers to take advantage of this. So if you're a product manager looking for an easy and efficient way to develop APIs, give Connecto a try. Hey there, have you heard about Codezi? It's a game changer in the world of software development. With the demand for technical talent rising, every company is looking for the best and brightest developers, and that's where Codacy comes in. This AI-based code editing application not only improves your programming skills, but it also offers a unique offering to support developers and aspiring programmers. It's like having a trusty sidekick that's always here to help you create, debug, optimize, and transform your code. Codacy consists of 4 main modules: debugging and providing the right blocks of code, optimizing code with AI-based improvements, converting code to different languages, and commenting on ML AI-based code. And let me tell you, Codacy is a breath of fresh air compared to other legacy debugging tools on the market. They often need to be more user-friendly, especially for beginner to intermediate developers. But with Codacy, you get a simple solution with a similar value propositions to Grammarly. After all, programming is just a new form of writing, and Codacy is poised to become the go-to platform for this growing demand. And the demand is actual. In just 6 months on the market, Codacy passed the 100,000 user mark with a global user base from countries like Brazil, Pakistan, Poland, and more. The Codacy team is expanding its product to meet demand and generate new interest from educational and corporate organizations. But wait, it gets even better. Codacy supports over 30 programming languages and is considered a leader in the code debugging market. The company has achieved many professional successes, including being named the ASU GSV Elite 200 and winning numerous industry awards and recognitions, including the Google Hackathon. And the founder of the program has big plans for Codacy's future. The goal is to scale the technology and become a significant player in the market, helping over 1 million developers and programmers optimize and debug their code. It's exciting to think about the possibilities. So if you're looking to take your software development skills to the next level, you need to check out Codacy. Trust me, you won't regret it.